Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. So today we are going to learn about the tagging in Angular. So you can see that by default we have a tagging, and you can see that where we can add the new tags also. That's you can see test. So this kind of functionality if you want into your React, into your Angular application, so how we are going to do that? So before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So the thing that I am using, that is called ngx-chips. Okay, so this is the module that is tag input component for Angular, that is ngx-chips. So you have to install this package. Okay, after the installation, what we have to do, go to your app module.ts file. So here you need to add the tag input. Okay, then we have browser animations module, then we have a forms module. Okay, and the reactive forms module. These three modules we have added. The same thing you have to add into the import section, right? After the installation, we have to go with the HTML part, and here you need to add the tag input ng model items, and here the items are coming in from the app module. Sorry, here we have the app component. So here we have the items, pizza, pasta, and this. So these are the items which are reflected in this one model. Okay, so whatever you want to add over here, it come over here. So you can make it dynamic also if you want to show something that is already done. So here you can set the items or push the items into this item section, and you can definitely reflect back into the this HTML section. Okay, if you want to add the placeholder, you can also add the placeholder. So the placeholder function is, I will see you placeholder. So here we have the placeholder function, so you can add the placeholder. So here we have to add the placeholder like this placeholder, and here you can add like this placeholder. So here you can add enter new tag, enter new tag. Okay, so this is my placeholder. Now you can see that here mention that enter a new tag, okay, instead of being plus sign. So you can also add the default placeholder also. If you want to add the secondary placeholder also, you can also go over the secondary placeholder. You can also set the maximum items to be added. Okay, so there are different number of props that you can go and just read it over here, and any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. So this way you can add the tagging into your Angular application. Okay, so let me know any doubt and query, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.